2025 taught me a lot. On paper, it was a massive year. We passed 1,000 members in the community. We hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we celebrated our 50th coffee hour. And that gave me a front row seat to watching 1,385, but who's counting, artists navigate the industry. We generated 848 posts and 8,893 comments in 2025. So today I wanted to share the lessons that I'm taking into 2026. Solo mode is hard mode. 1 year alone equals 1 month inside the right group. I watch members solve problems in minutes that would have taken days or weeks to figure out by themselves. The hustle has a ceiling. Working harder usually isn't the answer. You can't force the spark. The work improved when I rested and not when I pushed. So you don't need to be working on 12 things at once. Identifying your current bottleneck and working only on that until it's complete is usually the answer. Oh wow moments are still possible even after years in the industry. Sitting on coffee hour taught me never stop being a student. In 2025, we had over 25 guest speakers from members of the community to industry, from Corona, i2Soft, Chaos and more, all freely sharing the knowledge, and the 2026 schedule is looking amazing already. Community is the shortcut. Someone has already solved the problem you are facing, so don't try and reinvent the wheel. Your problems are not unique, so ask. And if you want to stop working in isolation, you are more than welcome to come join our 3D Artist group. The members who made the biggest impact were the ones that gave more than they took, so shout out to the Hall of Famers or Flamers, Amit with a massive 1,641 contributions, Abdi with 548, Derica, Andy and Danushka, who all contributed hundreds of insights, and a massive shout out to our hosts Richard, Abdi, Adam, Zach and Martin. These people didn't just participate, they hosted calls and they helped other 3D artists reach new levels. Online friends are real friends. We had in-person meetups in London, Bangkok, and 2025 proved that this isn't just a digital community. So thank you for making the community the place it is.